Hold onto your controllers, folks. We're about to blast off into the AI-powered gaming revolution that's flipping the script on everything we thought we knew about virtual worlds. It's not just an upgrade, it's a full-blown quantum leap that's going to make your head spin faster than a 360 no-scope. Let's kick things off with NPCs, those digital denizens that used to be dumber than a bag of rocks. Well, not anymore. AI's giving these virtual beings brains that'd make Einstein jealous. You're playing Middle-earth Shadow of Mordor, and boom, the Nemesis system kicks in. Suddenly, that orc you thought you'd squashed, he's back, uglier than ever, with a grudge that'd make your ex look forgiving. And get this, a significant spike in player engagement when games use these adaptive AI NPCs. It's like your game's got a pulse, evolving and reacting to your every move. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of procedural generation? It's like if Bob Ross and a supercomputer had a baby, and that baby could paint entire universes. Games like No Man's Sky are using AI to cook up worlds faster than you can say space exploration. We're talking 18 quintillion planets, each with its own quirks and critters. It's so vast, you'd need 585 billion years to visit each planet for just 1 second. Talk about replayability on steroids. Now, let's chat about game design. AI's not just playing the game, it's helping make them too. Unity's AI game toolkit is like having a dev team on speed dial, cranking out prototypes faster than you can say microtransaction. And get this, 70% of game devs reckon AI is going to revolutionize their craft in the next 5 years. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of seeing the future, you're building it. Graphics? Oh boy, buckle up. AI's turning games into visual feasts that'd make your eyeballs pop. Cyberpunk 2077 might have had a rocky start, but hot damn. Those neon-soaked streets are prettier than a sunset in paradise. AI's cooking up textures, shadows, and lighting effects that'll make you question reality. And animations, forget about it. We're talking mocap and AI having a love child that moves smoother than butter on a hot skillet. But it's not all about looking pretty. AI's got brains too. Games are getting smarter, adapting to you like a chameleon on a disco floor. Left 4 Dead uses AI to keep you on your toes, tweaking difficulty on the fly. 1 minute you're mowing down zombies like a lawn, the next you're sweating bullets as the horde closes in. It's like the game's got ESP, always 1 step ahead of you. And personalization? Ooh boy, it's like games are becoming your digital soulmate. AI Dungeon is cranking out stories tailored just for you, like if Shakespeare and Tolkien had a rap battle in your brain. It's so personalized, you'll wonder if the game's been reading your diary. Voice recognition's getting in on the action too. Tom Clancy's End War lets you bark orders, like a 5-star general. It's not just cool, it's a game changer for accessibility. Players with mobility issues are seeing a whole new world open up. It's like the game's saying, hey, everyone's welcome at this party. But hold up, it's not all rainbows and unicorns. With great power comes, well, you know the rest. We've got to talk ethics, folks. AI in gaming is like giving a toddler a flamethrower. Awesome, but potentially disastrous. Developers are walking a tightrope trying to keep things fair and fun without turning us all into gaming zombies. It's a delicate balance, like trying to eat soup with a fork while riding a unicycle. Now, let's peer into our crystal ball and see what the future holds. Imagine games that design themselves, learning from every player interaction. It's like if evolution had a fast-forward button and games were evolving at light speed. We could be looking at games that are more personalized than your Netflix recommendations on steroids. And cloud gaming? Oh mama, it's gonna be bigger than, well, clouds. AI's gonna optimize and stream games so smooth you'll be playing Crysis on your toaster. Okay, maybe not your toaster, but you get the idea. It's gonna democratize gaming faster than you can say lag-free experience. But let's get real for a second. This AI revolution isn't just changing games, it's changing us. The line between virtual and reality is blurring faster than a cheetah on roller skates. We're talking about experiences so immersive, so personalized, you might forget you're playing a game. It's exciting, it's terrifying, it's the future, and it's happening right now. Think about it. AI could create NPCs so lifelike you might actually feel bad for shooting them, or worlds so vast and detailed you could literally get lost in them. We're not just playing games anymore, we're stepping into living, breathing digital universes, and the possibilities don't stop there. Imagine AI analyzing your playstyle and creating custom challenges just for you, or games that adapt their storylines based on your emotional reactions. We could be looking at a future where every playthrough is as unique as a snowflake in a fingerprint factory, But with all this progress, we've got to ask ourselves some tough questions. Are we ready for games that know us better than we know ourselves? What happens when AI creates content that's more engaging, more addictive than anything a human could design? It's like opening Pandora's box, but instead of all the world's evils, it's filled with insanely addictive gameplay mechanics. The potential for AI in gaming is like a fireworks show in your brain. Dazzling, explosive, and slightly terrifying. We're standing on the edge of a digital revolution that's going to redefine not just how we play, but how we interact with technology as a whole. Let's talk numbers for a sec. The global AI in gaming market is expected to hit $18.4 billion by 2025. That's not just growth, that's hypergrowth on steroids. And it's not just about the money. AI is cranking out content at a pace that'd make your head spin. Take Minecraft, for example. Microsoft's using AI to generate new worlds and challenges faster than you can say Block Party. We're talking about millions of unique experiences, all cooked up by our silicon-brained buddies. But here's where it gets really wild. AI isn't just making games, it's playing them too. And not just playing, dominating. DeepMind's AlphaGo didn't just beat the world's best Go player, it invented moves that humans had never even considered. It's like if your chess computer suddenly started using the pieces to build a rocket ship. The implications are staggering. Could AI-powered opponents become so advanced that beating them becomes the ultimate gaming achievement? And let's not forget about esports. AI is already being used to analyze player performance, predict strategies, and even coach teams. Imagine an AI coach that never sleeps, never gets tilted, and can process millions of gameplay scenarios in seconds. It's like having a digital Sun Tzu whispering in your ear. But AI in gaming isn't just about competition, it's also about collaboration. Imagine co-op games where AI teammates are indistinguishable from human players, or MMOs where AI-controlled characters create dynamic, ever-changing storylines. The line between single-player and multiplayer could become so blurred, you won't know where one ends and the other begins. And here's a mind bender for you. What if AI could create entire game genres we haven't even thought of yet? We're talking about experiences that are so far beyond our current understanding of games that they might as well be alien technology. It's like trying to explain Fortnite to a medieval peasant. The concept is so far out there, it might as well be magic. As we wrap up this wild ride through the AI gaming wonderland, one thing's crystal clear. The future of gaming is here, and it's more incredible than we ever imagined. From NPCs with attitude to worlds that build themselves, AI is turning every pixel into a portal of possibility. So, what's the takeaway from all this mind-bending awesomeness? AI in gaming isn't just changing the game, it's changing the players. It's pushing the boundaries of creativity, technology, and even human experience. We're not just leveling up our characters anymore, we're leveling up reality itself. The games of tomorrow won't just be played, they'll be lived, they'll adapt, evolve, and grow with us, creating experiences so personalized and immersive that they'll become extensions of our own imaginations. It's a future where the only limit is the boundless creativity of AI and human minds working in harmony. So, are you ready to plug into this brave new world of AI-powered gaming? Or does the idea of games that know you better than your mom give you the heebie-jeebies? Whatever your take, one thing's for sure. The AI gaming revolution is here, and it's game on. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this video short-circuited your brain, in a good way, smash that like button harder than you'd smash the final boss. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay on the cutting edge of the gaming revolution. Until next time, keep your graphics sharp and your AI sharper.